Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good brownies. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll want to use a good quality cocoa powder, about 3/4 of a cup, for that deep chocolate flavor. Unsalted butter, around 1 stick, is crucial for controlling the overall saltiness. We'll also need a mix of granulated and brown sugar, roughly 1 cup of each, to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness and chewiness. Finally, 2 large eggs will bind everything together beautifully. Now, let's talk about mixing and baking. It's super important not to overmix your brownie batter. Just combine the wet and dry ingredients until barely incorporated to keep them tender. For even baking, a 9 by 13-inch pan works wonderfully. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter, ensuring a fudgy interior. The secret to your preferred brownie texture lies in the ratios. For fudgier brownies, increase the fat content, like using more melted butter, and slightly reduce the flour. If you prefer a cakey brownie, adding an extra egg or a touch of baking powder will give them a lighter, more airy crumb. Remember, melted butter is key for that dense, chewy texture we often crave. And for perfectly clean slices, always let your brownies cool completely, or even chill them, before cutting. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, it's fun to experiment with variations. Try folding in a cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans for added crunch and flavor. You can also swirl in a 1/4 cup of caramel or peanut butter for a delightful surprise. To keep your delicious creations fresh, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They'll typically stay wonderfully moist and delicious for about 4 to 5 days, perfect for enjoying throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.